This Golf GTI is brand new, but the paintwork is already damaged.
And most owners don't even realise this.
Today we're doing a new car protection detail, including decontamination, paint correction and ceramic coating.
First step, safe wash and full decontamination. Even brand new cars are covered in dirt, iron fallout and dealership contamination. Now the most important step, paint correction. Dealerships leave swirl marks behind from poor washing. Rush techniques, dirty sponges and improper drying all take a toll on your paint. It might look clean at first glance, but under the right light, the damage is clear. This is exactly why proper detailing isn't just about appearance, it's about protecting your car's finish. We remove those defects to restore a flawless finish before protection. Then we lock it all in with a ceramic coating applied to the paintwork, wheel faces and glass. This adds gloss, protection and makes maintenance way easier. This is how your car should look the day you pick it up. Flawless, deep gloss and properly cared for from the start. No shortcuts, no hidden damage, just a finish that actually reflects what you paid for.